How to disable recommended videos on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can disable the recommended videos on YouTube. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your YouTube. After that, log in into your account, and here you'll be able to see your home screen. So the next step is you just need to head over to your profile at the bottom. After that, hit that gear icon or the settings, and you should be able to find this option called your data in YouTube here. So simply click on this, and it may take a few minutes or seconds to load. Just wait for some seconds and you will be able to see this interface on your screen. So just scroll down a bit until you are able to see this YouTube watch history section. Just simply tap on it and wait for it to load again. And here, this is you can see this manage history option. Simply tap on it again. After that, it will take you to this page. So what you're gonna do is delete this. Delete. Today I'm gonna delete. You can use this option called delete all time. Just simply click on it and it will ask you confirmation. Just simply go to delete and deletion is complete. So what happens is, if you delete your history, it deletes the recommended videos as well, because YouTube usually recommends the video that you watch. So similar videos that you watch. So you just need to delete your history, and along with that, your recommended videos will be also deleted. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to delete your recommended videos on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.